Okay, so we've taken the sticker thing off of this and we're just placing it on that plate.
I'm not sure. We're going to go ahead and put it on the ceiling.
Make sure you're lined up so it's in the middle.
I'm not sure if I want to go this way or that way. Probably this way. And I'm going to go ahead, since this is not going to stick very well with the carpet, I am going to put a couple screws in this. But you can mount this anywhere you want.
Okay, we're going to screw this in. This is just going into plastic. Now, we do have the sticker on the back, but this is material, and so we're not confident that's going to hold for a long period of time. So if it was this plastic stuff or metal, I think it would hold really well because it's a pretty strong sticker. Okay, we're just going to put this sunshade on the monitor. You just snap it right on.
Just like so.
There you go.
You got two antennas for the monitor and one antenna for each of the cameras. And you can point them any direction you want. Just like that.
Easy enough.
One of the cameras, I can stick an antenna on it. And it's made for to bolt on or to magnetize it on. I think I am just gonna magnetize it and then just take them off when I'm done using them. But they'll actually probably stay on with driving and all that.
Just the magnet because it's so tight.
Yeah, it's a pretty powerful magnet. Putting the antenna on it. And you can just...
That's pretty powerful, actually.
Yeah, and you can adjust the camera.
The solar?
No, the camera and the solar.
Oh, I see.
This is the camera here. This is the solar here.
Yeah.
Just adjust it the way you want.
Yeah, awesome. All right, we're just screwing this in to these little holes.
Don't tighten it.
Okay. And then this one is going to go in there. There we go.
Don't tighten it. Okay. Now I can adjust it when I want and tilt it any way I want.
Very good.
And I got both sides locked on.
All right, so we used that other base, but they do send you this one just in case you prefer it. This is the sticker.
This would probably mount on the dash or something, but we mounted ours on the ceiling. Mm-hmm. And then this wire is a hard wire into your car. And they also give you this cigarette lighter, which is one we're using. We're just using the cigarette lighter one. But you can hardwire it too.
Hardwiring instead of the cigarette lighter.
Yep.
All right, so here is the power button right here. And we're turning on the second one. Okay, so we've hooked up a camera system to our truck and we've hooked up a camera system to our RV, which is kind of parked in our side backyard. So we're gonna just back up.
The one in the truck's moving, obviously, and the one in the RV is not moving because we haven't hooked it up.
It's like four-wheeling. I can't keep the camera straight. But you can see
our RV now.
That we're moving the truck. It's very, very cool that you can actually see from the inside of the car.
What I'm doing is I got the ball of my tailgate going, and I'm going to line it up with the RV. Sorry for the bouncing, but you'll be able to see it eventually, and I'll be able to see how close I am to it. Yeah, see it's right there. Looks like I need to go over this way a little bit.
That's so cool. Instead of having to have somebody out there lining
It looks like I got a good 12 inches.
No. Do you think that far?
Well,
No, about
not
3.
anymore.
There you go. You're like an inch off. All right, just wanted to show you that we just put this right on the middle. Instead of having 2 on the back of the truck, we've got 1 on the back of the truck and 1 on the back of the RV.
And I just swiveled it down to the tailgate, but you can swivel it back up and it'll show the RV.
Show the RV. So very cool.
You can see how close I got, but I can, if I lifted it up, I can stick it right on.
Very cool. So one of the things that I really like about this is that it's such a strong magnet. Also, this is a rubber base to help protect your truck. Not that we need it. Ours is very old, but you might have a really nice truck and you don't want it scratched, and that's going to help prevent those scratches. I also love that you don't have to drill into your truck.
But you can.
But you can. It does allow it if you think you need it. Like if you have fiberglass, you'll probably need to do some drilling. But if you have the metal, you probably won't need to. So anyway, we are very pleased with this and definitely recommend it.